White Bull's BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe. Today we're doing bacon wrapped honey buns. That's right. I'm the originator of this on TikTok. GrowArk did it. A couple people did it. It really took off. So now I'm here to show you how it's done the original way. Let's dive into it, baby. This is gonna be lit. The best damn barbecue ever. I know it sounds crazy, but take a look around. I'm a Philly kid, and this is how the corner store kid gets down. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got some regular bacon, sliced thin, not center cut, just original sliced bacon. We're gonna hit it with White Bull's BBQ pulled hog for pork. This stuff does magic to bacon. Nothing crazy, but you know, just a little dusting. Why the hell not, right? And what we're gonna do that's pretty different from a lot of other recipes is that we're actually gonna smoke this kind of like halfway, or you know, at least get it to a point where it's got some pliability, and then you wrap the honey bun, because for two reasons: you don't want to burn the honey bun, and because you want it to have a little more form when you're trying to put it around the honey bun. So that is exactly why we are going to season this a little bit and throw it on the Ranger. We got the Ranger going out there. You can use whatever you're using, but make sure that it's indirect. I have a lot of people complain in the comments that you know, something didn't work out, and you got to remember I'm using an indirect smoker. So this is what you want your bacon to look like. Just a, you know, nice little coating, and we're gonna take it and put it on the Ranger. All right, so let's go. We got the Traeger set to 275. That's perfect. Get your bacon on there nice and flat. Let this smoke for 15 minutes. So we got our bacon on. We're gonna let that rock at 275 for about 10-15 minutes, just so it gets pliable. And then we're gonna come and put these honey buns inside of it. And then we're gonna let them rock for about 45 minutes at 275. Let's make magic. So after 10 to 15 minutes on your smoker at 275, you got the honey buns rocking. Those are the honey buns we're using. Tasty cake all day, Philly stand up. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna have pliability on your bacon. It's gonna make it actually easier to wrap these. It's gonna be awesome, because then you don't have shrinkage in your bacon or whatever's going on if you wrap it from the beginning. And you don't want your honey bun to overcook. So we're gonna go grab these bacon strips and let's come back and wrap these honey buns. You got your bacon, you got your honey buns. Tasty cake's the way to go. You get 2 for $1. They're glazed, and this is exactly how you do it. You're gonna take this out, get your 3 slices, kind of set them aside. Now you could tell that this bacon is partially cooked, but that's okay. That's kind of the point here. It's still very loose though, and floppy and fatty, so that's good. Maybe we have to flip this slice over so it cooperates more, but you want to lay it as flat as possible, like such. Try to overlap this a little bit, right? Close to the middle, but a little bit over. Wrap this side like this, and this is how we're gonna do it, all right? Lay these out like such, and we're gonna tuck this and roll it. Tuck it as tight as you can and roll it. Now once you do that, you can kind of reform the bacon how you want, but now you see, it stays on there pretty good. We'll do the same thing with the other one. We're gonna re-season these again with a fresh coat after we put them on the smoker. So again, put it down. You see the bacon's cooked a little bit, but it's still stretchable. Boom. It's okay to have a little bit of bacon hanging off the side here. That's fine. We actually might even rip that. Yeah, we're gonna rip that off. The little remnants that are hanging. And you have a perfect, I know some people might cry because we're wasting bacon, but now you have a perfectly bacon wrapped honey bun. And we're gonna re-season this with pulled hog once we throw it back on the smoker. So let's go throw it back on the Traeger. It's sitting at 275. And again, remember, this bacon's gonna tighten up a little bit and it's gonna be perfect. So we're gonna throw it on at 275 for about 40 minutes and you're gonna have an insane result. Nice and crispy bacon. The bacon fat re-renders and re-glazes this honey bun and it's just out of this world. This is not for the faint of heart. So we hit this with that pulled hog. We'll see you in a half hour. So this was about an overall hour cook. We actually cooked the bacon, slightly seasoned at 275 for about 10 minutes by itself. And then we wrapped it around the honey bun and seasoned the whole thing with pulled hog for pork. You already know the vibes, baby. Link is always down in the comments, but look at this. What's happened here is the bacon has obviously rendered, and all that bacon fat just got stuck right in that honey bun and re-glazed it, and look at this. This is just insane. We're gonna let this rest for 5 minutes. I wish you could smell this. And then we're gonna take a bite. Let's get it. All right, so we let these rest about 5 minutes. We hit them with that pulled hog, of course. It's time to slice them and eat them before the rain comes. As you can see, perfect texture, literally. The bacon's perfect. It's very pliable, but you could tell that's heavy. Let's dig in. And you can tell it just collapses. So let's get a bite of it and get you guys out of here. All right, let's take a bite. Wow. Look at the texture of the honey bun. It is like funnel cake on steroids. Hit that follow. Who gives a shit if the bacon looks a little weird? This is amazing. Cheers. All right guys, so we're in Parkwood because this was a corner store recipe. I took some corner store tasty cake honey buns. It's about as Philly as it gets for you. And we wrapped them in bacon. But first we did the bacon at 275 for like 10-15 minutes. Let it get a little pliable so it's easier to wrap and it doesn't shrink like and crunch your honey bun. You want it to all kind of perfectly lay there. And then you did the honey bun for about a half hour, 45 minutes. Game over. You've seen the texture. If I had to describe it to you, it's like pound cake and funnel cake had a baby and then wrapped it in a bacon blanket. That was amazing.
White Bulls BBQ, the best damn barbecue ever.